Welcome to our channel. Today we how to close a Bank of America savings account closure guide step by step clearly. To close a Bank of America savings account, start by gathering your account information. This includes your account number and any identification required. Next, check your account balance. Ensure that all pending transactions are cleared and that you have withdrawn any remaining funds. Consider transferring any funds to another account or withdrawing cash from an ATM. Visit the official Bank of America website or mobile app. Log into your online banking account. Navigate to the Accounts section to locate your savings account. Review any additional account details or requirements for closure. If you prefer personal assistance, locate the nearest Bank of America branch. Bring your identification and account information with you. Inform the bank representative that you wish to close your savings account. They may ask a few questions to verify your identity. Follow their instructions to complete the account closure process. If you are closing your account via mail, write a formal request. Include your name, account number, and a statement requesting closure. Send the request to the address specified on the Bank of America website. After sending it, monitor your account for any final transactions. Keep any documentation related to the closure for your records. Once confirmed, your account will be officially closed. Make sure to confirm that you no longer receive any statements or notices. This process ensures a smooth closure of your Bank of America savings account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.